Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, August 17th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast we'll have chicken biscuit. For lunch we'll have chicken sandwich and green beans. Tomorrow for breakfast, we'll have breakfast pizza. For lunch, it will be barbecue sandwich and baked beans. Some announcements today. I hope all of our students brought back the device agreements and acceptable use policy forms today. Please get those out of your backpacks and folders and turn them in to your teacher. Remember, the first class to have all their forms turned in gets a popsicle party with Miss Gibbs. For late duty, today we have Miss Cunningham, tomorrow Miss Clark. Thursday we have Miss Battaglia, and Friday we have Miss Bertolino. Today's announcements. Dismissal. Excellent job yesterday afternoon at dismissal. We cut down our car line time and are getting close to our goal time of 3:35. We can do it. Keep listening closely for those numbers and be ready to head down the hall when your number is called. Masks. Remember, all faculty, staff, and students in 2nd grade and up must wear your mask at all times unless you are eating. Everyone, please help each other to mask up and keep us all safe. Students, please remember it is also a good practice to wash your hands often during the day. Wash your hands every time after you use the restroom and at other times when you have the chance. Let's keep all those icky germs away. Important dates. August 18th, your classroom seating charts are due to Nurse Eaton. Also, tomorrow, August 18th, is School Picture Day. All the students will have their pictures made for the yearbook, and students will be in uniform. September 6th is Labor Day, and there will be no school that day. Today's word of the day is the additive identity property of zero, and that's a big, long title for just saying that when you add 0 to a number, it doesn't change the number. It's still that same number. So in this example, 4 plus 0 equals 4. Adding 0 to a number gives the sum identical to the given number. So if you add 0 to something, it stays the same. 4 plus 0 equals 4. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.